The ultimate goal of BMT's STEM Home Challenge was to demonstrate to the future generation that no matter how small you feel, you do have the knowledge and the skills through science, technology, engineering and maths to make a real difference.
It was a delight to meet and work with Arushi. It was really inspiring to see what the future generation are capable of given the opportunity and the time to put their STEM knowledge to the test. During the workshop that we had with Arushi, we learnt more about her design, her story and her reasoning for creating the drone. I think she's captured a real world problem and she solved it with such imagination. For this reason, we asked our animation team if they could help bring her dragonfly drone idea to life in a formal video.
We do hope that Arushi's drone and her concept inspires others to get involved with STEM and to start sharing their ideas so that we can best support the future generation with the knowledge and skills that they will need for their future.